you get, Evo?
I got 2 chickens and sticky rice, which is like rice, but it's sticky. It's like really sticky, but it's like bread. It's Thai bread. Like it's literally it's literally Thai bread. They don't eat bread, they eat rice. There's so much rice here that they only eat rice. Do you like sticky rice?
Yeah, I love it.
Oops. You want some now?
No, I just ate 10 eggs. I drank them. Are we sparring still?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're about to spar. I just downed 10 raw eggs. If you follow me on Instagram, you literally just saw me down there. So we're about to spar. We're the mastermind in about 2 days, so we're prepping for that. It's gonna be a blast.
$7 a day for training.
What's going on over here, Alex?
So I'm currently just building my outreach list, and obviously YouTube isn't the only place to look for potential prospects to sell for, right? So I'm going through the personal fitness side of Instagram, and somebody charges $5 to $7 a day to basically teach people, which is not a lot of money.
So how much commission is that for you? Like 5 cents? 50 cents?
Maybe.
Low ticket sales.
Extremely low ticket sales.
Alright guys, we're gonna go check out the chicken.
Is it good?
The 1%, baby.
1% chicken.
It's more like 50% chicken.
Not bad.
50% chicken, 50% what else?
And imagine the chicken with McDonald's fries.
Well, bro?
Ignore the McDonald's. We're gonna cut that out.
It's not the same as in the USA, bro. I've never been to the USA.
No, USA chicken is just peanut oil, seed oils.
But what about the fries in the McDonald's? Do you think the McDonald's in US is better than the McDonald's in Thailand?
No, the McDonald's here is definitely better than in the USA. Yeah. I mean, there's evidence. Oh, shit. I don't know. I think just like they put way more oil in the USA than Thailand.
Yeah, but in terms of like taste, not just healthier, just
I think taste America is better. And it's always crispy. Like here, I just ate this McDonald's, guys. Don't tell anyone, but the fries were like so soggy. It was like you were eating noodles. Alright guys, right now we just got done eating, so the best way to digest your food is with a friendly spar. So Alex is gonna record, and we're just gonna get punched in the face real quick. I'm already buzzed. Alex and I, we got synced in, the stars aligned, no homo. There's 2 snus left in the pouch, so we both took one. So let's go. Got to scream in front of the kids, like how Diddy did it, but not like that.
how the fucking gate opens, fucking mouse before the guy came. That's
Might be an app.
Yeah, the whole house is like electrical. All the lights, it's nothing like you can touch. It's all like fucking smart, which is gay. Everything electric and smart is gay. Just looks gay.
I don't know what the fuck is wrong with it. Thai salt plus this Thai sauce equals blue.
You learn something new every day.
Yeah. Chemical.
Alright guys, now this is the bathroom right here. And then if we go to your right, hiding spot, look at this. Yeah, hiding in here. There's no in here guys, trust me.
Just Anne Frank.
Yeah, and Frank in person. Nazis will never find us. Guys, it seems we've studied Johnny Walker Blue Label. We've in fact studied and have
Me
acquired.
and Ryan alone in the war room, naked,
Sipping Johnny Walker.
Just me and you, because we studied.
We studied. Did you study? No. Did you study?
She is studying right now, but
I'm too
doesn't look
pretty.
like.
Too pretty to study.
Grinding in the wrong direction.
Too pretty to study and work.
I'm trying not to throw up right now, guys, to be completely honest. Drink 10 eggs, and then just took a snuff. So it's like, test is maxed out, the energy is maxed out. I'm just waiting for a good spark to put out some energy, so I'm back at baseline.
Like I don't even know how to spar in order to be fun. Like, am I supposed to like only hit you like shoulders and like body shots or what?
Hit me in the face, the brain, the ears, everywhere. Except the nuts. Just don't hit me in the nuts. Please.
And we're doing like boxing or what?
Yeah, boxing.
So no like, so without any double leg takedowns.
Yeah, no takedowns, knees, elbows.
Okay.
Sick. God.
Trying to fight.
Thank you.
Sure makes me wonder if you know what you're looking for. Baby, I wanna give my reputation. I'm a sensation. You tell me what you get from me.
They might not be watching at this point.
Yeah. Imagine somebody is actually watching to this point.
Yeah, imagine.
If you're watching.
Hat? I don't have a hat.
You will be
Ron has a
successful
hat.
one day, G. You will make it. Walk in.
If you have the attention span to make it to this part of the video, you're already gonna make it.
I will send you one Bitcoin. Imagine. That's like every single video, like around your whole band, you just build that. If they need to watch everything because you have like hidden things, and you just send Bitcoins to people.
Flash a word in the corner, like right now,
Yeah.
and if they can comment down the word that you just flashed, then they get 1 Bitcoin.
Ah, shit, yeah. Okay. Comment this one.
Alright guys, well that's it for the video today.
Cool on. We are all winners, bro. People who are broke, they are losers. So make something, get it.
We are broke, but we can fight. Yeah.
Nothing to lose, everything to gain.
Yeah.
I know you hurt. I know it hurts when you hear my name. There's no joy without pain, no song without rain. Whoever made souls made ours the same. Top G.
Any last words, Alex?
No, sir.
Rom, the Jew?
I'm the real Slim Shady.
Alright guys, have a blessed night.